Hi people, and I'm back cooking again, and today I'm going to be doing a chicken and noodle dish. In that pan is vegetables, which is your vegetable of your choice, and in this pan is noodles. I've got some salty, some chicken breast, and to go with them it's mushroom soup and chicken soup. Now I don't know why most of the recipes I've got have all got soup in them, but well, they have. Now I have got some oil, some vegetable oil in my fry pan. Hold on a moment, one moment. Right, the chicken needed to be cut up, so I have just cut it up as they were none in the shop, but I'd already got it cut up. And then it says season it with the choice of yours. Now, as you all know, I'm not big on the seasoning, so I'm just going to put a good layer of salty on it. Give that a good mixy. Now I have got my chicken on number 4. Well, on number 4. So I don't want it to do too fast, as I have also got the noodles on number 3 and the vegetables on number 3, which means now I'm going to turn them up to number 4. So now they can all get done together. So I'm going to let the chicken do, and then, well, I'm going to let the chicken do on, it is on number, no, it's on number 3, oh, it's on number 4, yeah. Hey, I've got my glasses on, I still can't see. I told you. I think that optician was wrong. Anyway, so now I'll just let that cook, and then it'll be time to add the soups. Right, the chicken is now done. I am going to open a tin of chicken soup. And I can't see why, but it's got to have mushroom in as well. So it's got to be cream of mushroom, which will give it some mushroom flavour. So that's all in. Well, you've turned the wrong ring down, Kate. Mix that in. As I promised you, mix it all in. Give it a good mix. I don't think, to tell you the truth, I don't think I've got enough chicken. Oh, not too worried, not too worried at all. The lady only used 3 pieces. So yes, I'm going to let that warm up again till it gets to the boiling consistency, and well, then it should be ready. It's now bubbling. I don't know if you can see it, but it is bubbling. I have got to sauce it out. I think it's about time to turn that off. That's it. Get off my spoon. Get off. And because it's a sauce, oh, I'm not going to get much juice out of this, am I? So now let's get the rest stuff on. Now I'm going to put some peas on it and some, come here, carrots and peas. Get off my spoon, thank you. Move that up there. I shall get my meat nippers for my noodles. Oh, you didn't cut them up again. Oh, I can't have all that. Oh, no. I think that'll be enough. That'll be enough. And pinch a bit of juice out. There we are. All nicely done. And that is your end product of chicken and noodles. Now it's for the taste test. So we get some carrots and peas and a bit of chicken and a bit of noodle. A bit of noodle, look at that. Oh. So we'll try to stay on my bloody spoon. So now we'll try them. The chicken is done, but we did see it were done. Right, cases it was nice. Cases it was nice. Oh. There's going to be a link in the description to my merchandise. If you like what you see, please keep viewing me. Please keep viewing me. If you want to leave a thumbs up, please do. If you want to leave a recipe and a comment, if you're leaving a recipe, make sure it's got a title to it. I can't just like say a bit of chicken and noodles like with this one. So if you want to leave a recipe and a comment, please feel free, at the more the merrier. And if you haven't subscribed, or you know someone who hasn't subscribed, get them subscribing, get yourself subscribing, get everybody subscribing. Thank you. Bye.